I'm at school right now. I don't know how to feel. Don't worry, I'm not gonna show y'all too much. But there's a whole lot of people in here. Huh? Oh my God. I'm getting a tour at a school and classes right now. You feel me? John Big. I ain't finna show y'all too much. What's good with y'all? To be honest with you, bro, I will come in here and be like, hey, yo, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't trying to be loud, because I got some people upstairs, you feel me? And two, I feel like this not like, I don't feel like I should be saying that in this type of video, because what? You can somewhat call it personal, you feel me? I don't know, but I think it's too personal to be like doing my regular, hey yo, what's good YouTube, it's your boy JB and I'm back with another bang, you feel me? I didn't think I should do that, you feel me? Even though it's kind of lit, you feel me? But it's just, as you can see, y'all, you know what I'm saying, I'm kind of dressed up. Got my little fanny, my little, you know what I'm saying, a little trusty bag, you know what I'm saying? With all my goodies in there, got my AirPods in, you know what I'm saying? Need a cut though, but you know what I'm saying? Hair looking good, you know what I'm saying? Skin moisturized and all that. Lip moisturized and all that, you feel me? And I got a shirt around my neck. Now I'm explaining this soon. But yeah, as you can see, a nigga all dressed up and shit, but I went to my new school today, you feel me? I'm not finna say what school it is, cause even though I'm not per se big yet, I don't think y'all should know that shit. Cause if I'm thinking long term with this shit, if I do be on here and be like, yo, I go to this and that, you know what I'm saying? One, niggas at the school will probably see my channel and be like, oh, that's that kid, you know what I'm saying? Maybe show fake love or be annoying, and I don't really want that. And two, if niggas really rock with me like that, they probably like pull up to my school on some, probably like some joking type time, you feel me? Or some annoying shit, you feel me? And I ain't want that, bro, so. And typically, nobody does that, you feel me? If you're a YouTuber, you don't really tell which school you go to. That's if you pass the school, so it's like, you wouldn't have no problem, you feel me? I went to my new school today, you know what I'm saying? And let me tell you this, if anybody that's watching my video know me personally, you know what I'm saying? Especially some of my homies that I used to go to school with back in the day. Not necessarily back in the day, but back then. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know me, bro, I'm from a different country, you know what I'm saying? I'm from the Caribbean, you feel me? Or something like that, yeah. When I moved to America when I was 18, you know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? I ain't finna be no bum. You know what I'm saying? You know, I came to America for opportunities, hopefully. You feel me? Hopefully I can take this YouTube show serious, you feel me? But enough of that. I'm gonna do a whole story time on that, you know what I'm saying? Let's give y'all a brief saying of how my circumstances is right now. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm not from here, so I gotta just start new school and shit. Yeah, it's weird though. You know what I'm saying? Even though I went to the school today, you know what I'm saying? I got a tour by a young girl, you know what I'm saying?
Gotcha, bitch!
But yeah, I got a tour by this young girl, you know what I'm saying? She's a senior, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we got to tour the whole school. It's different from the school that I used to go to. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you don't know this, I used to go to one of the top schools from where I'm from. Now, I wasn't the smartest kid. You know what I'm saying? You got way more smarter kids in the school where I'm from, what I used to go to. You know what I'm saying? You got way more smarter kids than me. You know what I'm saying? Niggas used to cry that they got like a freaking 70% on the test. Like, bro, I be trying my hardest, I get a 70, I'm satisfied, low key. You feel me? Even though I know I probably should have got better, probably should have got a higher score, but who knows, bro? I tried my best. You know what I'm saying? I got a 70. The pass mark was like a 60 or something. You feel me? And you upset that you got a 70. Nah, bro. I get the frustration, but nah, you know what I'm saying? I did what I had to do. Now I got a 70, I'm chilling. I can aim higher next time, but I wasn't gonna like cry or nothing, you know what I'm saying? Even if I got below 60, I would cry. I would just like try better next time, you know what I'm saying? Study harder or whatever shit. I was saying, I wasn't a smart kid, you feel me? So this school, you know what I'm saying? I only watch this joint like on TV, bro. Like, you know, you watching like Netflix or something, they be in high school, you know what I'm saying? You got lockers and shit, bro. I ain't had a new locker where I'm from, bro. Dead ass. Feel me? I saw the lockers and everything. I saw the whole gym. I saw the whole football field. I can show y'all that because I didn't want to. One, I record that joint, you know what I'm saying? Two, but I didn't really want to record where my school is at. And probably something might look familiar and a nigga probably like can pull up on me, and I don't really want that, even though I'm not really knowing, as I said before. But yeah, as I said, bro, you know what I'm saying? I got to twerk everywhere. The cafeteria, you know what I'm saying? The gym, the football field. You know what I'm saying? Where my classes maybe, you know what I'm saying? Even I ain't got my schedule yet. But it was weird. Telling you the truth right now, bro. Where I'm from, it's not like I'm scared or anything. Don't get it messed up, bro. You know what I'm saying? But it's just weird, as I said before, because like I don't like where I'm from, you would see that joint on TV or like a movie or something. You know what I'm saying? Never in my life I would have thought I had a locker, bro. Never in my life I'd have thought I had a laptop going to school. High school, nigga. This is a MacBook too. Like, come on, bro. Come on, dog. Ain't no way, bro. I'm turning this on up. But yeah, ain't no way, bro. You feel me? But I don't know what to expect. You feel me? Because as I said, I keep saying where I'm from. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't usually do like Spanish or literature or what you call it, chemistry or physics or you know what I'm saying. I did some of them like chemistry or physics or Spanish or probably just them three, to be honest with you. Geo, what else? Those the four I can remember. I used to do those in like 9th grade or 8th grade or something like that, you know what I'm saying? But after like, when I was going into 10th grade, you get to pick the subjects. You could only pick 8, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can only pick like 8 subjects, you feel me? Sorry, I keep looking back. It's like, this joint is like bright, you feel me? You see the light in my eyes, that joint? But this joint's bright, you feel me? So, I can't tell if nobody's coming. So when I hear a little noise, you know what I'm saying, I gotta look to see who the hell coming, because I don't want nobody sneaking up on me. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, I don't really do those subjects. I get to pick the subjects that I want in 10th grade. You know what I'm saying, I only pick 8, you feel me? Math and English were like compulsory, so you had to do those. But the rest, you know what I'm saying, I feel like information technology, social studies, what else? I can't remember, bro. But I had to pick my subject, so the fact that I gotta do those back, because I deliberately did not want to do them. You feel me? I didn't want to do them, that's why I dropped them. Because I don't need to do this, you feel me? So I dropped them, so like to do back the subject instead. You feel me? I don't know how to feel about that. It's like one day was hard, you know what I'm saying? Even though I probably can like, you know, study harder or some shit. You feel me? I genuinely did not like the subject. You know what I'm saying? Like you had to know the whole freaking what you call it, table for like sodium or phosphorus. I don't know, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's a whole table for chemistry that you had to like memorize or something. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to 12th grade. I forgot to tell you that. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to 12th grade, and that joint not gonna like sit right with me because like I didn't like it. You feel me? But I ain't finna make a big deal out of it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, bro, with the grace of God, but with the grace of God, bro, I managed somehow to do it. Because honestly, I don't think I'm like good in that subject at all. You know what I'm saying? And you gotta do like gym too. Like, if I gotta climb up some ropes, bro, I gotta play dodgeball and them shits, I'm gonna lose my mind, bro. Dead ass. Because like, I never did that shit before. You feel me? So, as I said, bro, I don't know what to expect, but I'ma like see what's gonna happen, you feel me? If I gotta do gym, climb some rope, you know what I'm saying? Niggas chubby. For me, so I'm not fat, or like some people call me fat, bro, and I don't really care, you know what I'm saying? Don't worry about it. When I get sexy in this mother, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be saying something different. But anyways, but I'm not lazy or anything. I wouldn't call myself lazy. You know what I'm saying? I do stuff if I gotta do it, you know what I'm saying? I'm just very laid back, to be honest with you, but as I said, bro, I'm gonna see what's up with you. You feel me? I'm not gonna act scared or, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna act like a punk, you know what I'm saying? And as I said before, like, you only see this shit on TV, bro. So, you know, when you watch TV, bro, you know what I'm saying? You probably have some dude bullying you or something. And I don't really play like that, bro. Nigga, I beat your ass, bro. Definitely. Not saying I'm a fighter, you know what I'm saying? I probably avoid it. But if you piss me off, bro, my nigga, I probably still ignore it, but who knows, bro? That ass, who knows? But yeah, bro. But when I pull up to the school, you know what I'm saying? It was bigger than the school. You know, if you want to look it up, the school that I used to go to is called. Look that shit up, bro. It's one of the top schools in Jamaica. You feel me? I was very blessed to have like attended that school, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate all the teachers they used to teach me, you know what I'm saying? That used to always uplift the nigga, even though, as I said, I wasn't the best student, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So compared to this school, this joint was compared to that school, this joint was big, bro. Like, we had parking garage in the middle of the school. Not garage, a parking area in the middle of the school. That you got a big ass football field with a track, and then you got like a gymnasium where you like you can play like basketball in there. You feel me? You know, big, bro, bigger than the school I used to go. And the school I used to go had two parts. Like they were not in the same place. You know what I'm saying? Like you got the upper class like 9th grade or 10th grade to like 12. Right here and like around here, you got like 7th to 9th grade. You gotta walk there, bro. If you wanna leave from this school to here, you gotta walk there. Typically, it's not that far. I'm just probably exaggerating, but I'm just saying. When I pull up to the school, as I said, it was big as hell, bro. I seen the school before, but I went inside, you know what I'm saying? I went inside the school, you know what I'm saying? We didn't know where to go, to be honest. The like email they sent us, we had to go to the cafeteria. And I never went inside before, so we had to like ask somebody. These brought us inside, you know what I'm saying? They gave us. There was a section with two cute girls, if you want me to be exact. But there was two girls in a little section around at like a table or something, giving away free shirts. This is where I got this from. I will show y'all the shirts. I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm not gonna like. It's a red shirt, bro. You feel me? It's a red and white shirt. Yeah, it's a red and white shirt, bro. So they like had us wait for a couple seconds, and then like the seniors, even though I'm a senior, cause I'm in 12th grade, I'm going to 12th grade. Even though I'm a senior, I'm a new senior. I'm not a senior. I'm not a sophomore at that school going into seniorhood. Like, you feel me? Yeah, they had a couple seniors like walk us, give us a tour. You know what I'm saying? This girl, like, she had like braids. I don't know, like locks or something. She's the one. Very nice. You feel me? It wasn't all that to think. She was like, her voice was nice, you know what I'm saying? She was cute and all that. She was technically the same height as me. I might have been a little taller, I don't know if I'm exaggerating. But yeah, she gave us a tour and everything, you know, and we end up right back into the cafeteria. At one point, it's like, I was with my mom, right? And we was supposed to follow this girl and everything. And she asked a couple questions like, y'all are seniors or sophomores and shit. And they was like, you got a sophomore, you know what I'm saying? There was no seniors, and I was the only senior. So when she heard that, it was like she immediately thought we wasn't supposed to be here, you know what I'm saying? When there's literally,
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
A people could dare vine jar.
Calagas frustiti flockus.
what is literally just females giving us a tour of the school, no matter what grade you in, bro. You feel me? She's giving us a tour of the school, bro. You feel me? She had to ask another teacher, and then we got lost for a little second, but we ended up catching them, you know what I'm saying, this and that. It wasn't really all that. I just feel like I should talk about it, you feel me? As I said, it's personal, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, bro, that's about it, to be honest with you. If I'm being 100, bro, after the whole tour, as I tell y'all, you know what I'm saying, we went upstairs, the lockers and shit was red. Yeah, 2 sets of lockers, bro. I figured the red lockers are for seniors, and the light blue or gray blue lockers are for like sophomores, you know what I'm saying? But the amount of light gray blue lockers that I saw was not really, it wasn't enough to be like for sophomores and anything, you know what I'm saying? Because in the school that big, you gonna have a lot of students, bro. And I saw more red lockers than them color lockers, bro. So, as I said, I don't know how to feel, bro. To be honest with you, bro. If you've been to high school in America, hit me up on the gram at JB, bro. We're gonna pop it up somewhere right here. Hit me on the gram and tell me how you went through that, John. Cause like, I don't know, bro. Typically a laid back person. You know what I'm saying? I play my games a lot, you feel me? So I don't know how it's gonna work out, but hopefully, you feel me? But yeah, after the whole tour thing, you know what I'm saying? I figured we were gonna get a schedule for my like classes or something, but I guess not. I guess when I start school sometime next week, hopefully, we get a, you know what I'm saying, a schedule. But it would make sense you get a schedule, bro, cause like when you go to school, when the school starts, you don't wanna have to like getting your schedule there and trying to find your class. You should have your schedule already, and then when you went to the school, you probably look for your class, you feel me? But I don't know how it's gonna go, bro, you know what I'm saying? My mom knows best, she definitely listens to me. But yeah, bro, but fully as I said, bro, I gotta do what I gotta do, bro, you know what I'm saying? Really and truly, I just wanna get school over with, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, when I go to college, if I go to college, I wanna go to college for something I wanna do. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna go to college and I'm doing a whole bunch of work that I'm really not interested in, you feel me? Yeah, bro, you know what I'm saying? So, and right now, bro, I'm money-minded, bro. My mindset is on fun, bro. It's like, if you broke, you know how it feels to want money, and I don't really want to feel like that, bro. So I want to have my money, bro. But it's like, you gotta take baby steps, you feel me? But to all my homies back in Jamaica, bro, you know what I'm saying? Just know, bro, I had a good time with y'all, bro, you feel me? My nigga Ink, shout out to you, bro. You feel me? I guess that's the end of the video, bro, to be honest with you, because I ain't got nothing more to say. As I said, the reason why I came on here in the first place was to talk about the fact that I'm going to a new school. You know what I'm saying? I probably should have done some more research, who knows, but that's the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And I'ma catch y'all in the next video, bro. Before you go, bro, hold on. Hey, where you going, nigga? Tell that nigga don't move. I'ma need you to do me a favor, real quick. You know what I'm saying? It's something like, you feel me? I want you, go down below. I don't know what device you want, but there's supposed to be a little arrow thing, you feel me? You gonna click that, John, and you gonna copy the link, right? It's supposed to say something about copy link when you click the arrow. And you gonna send it to your homies. You got a group chat, anything. Send it to your homies, bro. And I'll promise you, if you do that for me, dog, I'm give you $100.
I got designer from head to my toe. I'm on designer, my bitch on the coat. I got Da Vinci all over my coat. I'm on the X and I jump on the